All right, thank you for tuning into our YouTube channel, Cape Coral Cell Phone Repair. If you haven't done so already, please click that subscribe button. We would really appreciate it. If you want to give us a thumbs up, we'd appreciate that too. It helps support our channel. So this machine we're about to unbox today is from Nasan, and we're going to show you what it does. If you have followed our other videos on refurbishing, you would see that we've looked at machines that are used in the industry on refurbishing. But if you wanted to move up from just refurbishing phones and also refurbish iPads and other tablets, this is the machine we're about to review. And away we go. I like the packaging because it doesn't come in these wooden crates. It's also better for shipping, so you can get this at a very affordable price. Don't forget to check out the link in the description of the video where we will link it with the discount already applied. So you get the mat that we're going to use for our iPads, and I believe if you look closely, the mat should be able to be reversed. Yes, so you have both sides of the mat that can be used. Okay, so put that to the side, and let's go ahead and take it out. It is very lightweight, by the way. So let's get the box out of the way. You got these plates that also come in it. We'll get the box out of the way here. You do also have the smaller mat. So this is versatile in the sense that it can do phones and tablets. We're going to take this plastic film out. And show you the machine a little up close. So you have your cable in the back, and you have your breaker switch or your power switch in the back, and then of course you have your heat button here, and then how you would control the temperatures, and you can set it, and by pressing enter you would enter that temperature you've already set it on your up and down. So everything is in Celsius. You would have to convert to Fahrenheit or just get used to Celsius, which is what most shops are doing in the industry anyway. So it does have a plastic protection there that you can remove later, or you can leave it there however you want to use it. And now moving on to the plate. So you can use it just like it is, just like so. And it does have a 360, so it doesn't lock like some other devices will when it comes to refurbishing that only go certain ways and then they lock. This one does a complete 360 without any locking on it. So if you like that feature for your hot plate, then this is something that you're gonna not have any issues with when you're doing the phone. So on the phones, you're gonna have your mat for the phones, and then you can also, if you're doing watches, you can use this small part of the mat for the watches as well. Okay. And here we have the parts that we're going to be using to put the plates on the top. So it comes with these plates where you can extend the area so you can start refurbishing your iPads. So let's go ahead and do that now. So the final step is putting these ends here. This is what's going to hold down your phone or tablet if you put it in this way on the hot plate. And these are also removable, so you can take them off. But once you have this set up here, all you need to do is lock it in and it's not going to move. And then of course you have your mat. Fits right in there nicely, as you can see there. So while you're removing your glass, you're using this side, and then after you remove the glass and you're cleaning it, you want to flip it around and use this side. Okay. Also, when you're doing iPads, you want to make sure that you use the bigger wire, the one size wire. I'm going to post a link in the description below. And that's the wire you want to use when you're doing strictly iPads. So in another video, we're going to go ahead and get this thing started, run it, and give you our thoughts. This was just an unboxing so you can see how to set it up. It's not very hard at all. Putting the screws was not difficult at all. If you wish to anchor it down to a table, or at least like a cutting board type setup where you can move it off the table and clamp it down, you have these that go on the sides. You have two on each side, and this will hold it down as well. So you have that option. It does come with a cable. We forgot to show that at the beginning. It was inside the box, as well as the accessories. So you have all these other accessories that come with it as well, the knobs. So you'll be able to get your whole setup all done. Now this is very, very, very affordable. As of this video, it's 160 bucks if you're getting it, and it's like buying two hot plates. You're getting one for your phones and iPads. So if you wish to do it that way and just have one hot plate that'll do both, this is the way to go. Or if you have already one for your iPads and you just need to replace one for your phone setup, you can get this one, and it's also versatile. It'll let you do iPads and phones. Either or, you're getting a 2-in-1. So think about how much it would cost you to buy a hot plate for phones and then another hot plate for iPads. And you're getting this all in one for, as like I mentioned, as of this recording, about 160 bucks. You really can't beat that price. Or even if you're repairing, even if you're not doing refurbishing, but it's something you might want to try down the road, get one of these, because when you do get iPads coming in, you can just heat them up right here and then start working on removing the screen just to do a screen replacement. And then maybe sometime down the line, if you wish to do so, you can think about doing refurbishing, and you already got started. So it's something to look at, something to look into. And like I mentioned in another video, we'll get this thing running. We'll compare it to see how long it takes to get hot and so forth. And we'll give you our take or our review on the product itself. But check out the link in the description so you can get yours today. Like I said, 160 bucks. You can't beat that. Until next time, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a like,